Okay, now we're going to add a green roof over in this area right here. And you've done some research hopefully by now on green roofs. You know what they are. And we're going to make a representation of that here in the software. So I'm going to go to my second floor because the green roof is going to rest on the second floor. And I'm going to go to the architecture tab and I'm going to go to roof. I want to select roof by footprint here. And is all I want on this is a simple generic roof. Let's see, I think it's generic. Let's see, generic 9 wood rafter. Yeah, I want to use this generic roof right here, this generic 9-inch one. And now I'm going to go to edit type. I'm going to hit duplicate, and I'm going to type in green roof here. And say OK. Then for structure, I'm going to hit edit. And right here, when it says by category, I'm going to hit the little ellipsis button. And when this comes up, I'm going to type in grass and search for grass. And here we go. We've got site grass. And I should be able to say OK and OK. Oh, I forgot one thing. I got to go back to that. My mistake. I don't want this to be 9 inches thick. I only want this to be a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to put in 1/2 here. And now I can say OK and OK. There we go. All right, now I'm going to pick the walls tool, and I got that going already. So I'm going to hit the north wall, the west wall, the south wall, and I'm going to click on the east wall also. And notice I had to click on the solid section of the wall, not on the glass parts. And I'm going to green check mark that. Now when I look at this in 3D, I can't see it. It's there, but I just can't see it. And this is a similar problem to what we saw when we were doing the floor. It's there, it's just invisible because of, I'm going to hide this, by the way. Okay. And I'll look at this from the south elevation. And the roof is here, I think. The easiest way to actually pick this, oops, is to put my cursor on here and click. And just keep hitting tab. Whoops. If I put my cursor on here, I don't click, and I just keep hitting tab, eventually I should be able to get it, but let's see. Now let me pause this and see what I can figure out. I was concerned that the roof actually wasn't there, but it is. I'm just going to put my cursor down here on the edge. I'm going to push the tab key once, and now I can see the blue line going around the actual box of the roof, and I will click on that. And I'm going to change the base offset of this, and I'm going to raise it up. And I'm going to raise that by, and this is going to be the base offset. So this is going to be 4.125 inches. And I hit apply. And now my grass roof is there. I'm going to pause for a second. I'm actually going to do a save. Okay, one last thing to do for this little bit of the green roof is I need to return on that wall. I'm going to go down to the little light bulb thing. Now click on what I have hidden. I'll say unhide and then toggle and that turns that back on. So, should be all set with putting the green roof on this part of the building. Now we need to put some sort of a pathway or walkway up here also.